Meekah, did you hear that?
Tweet, tweet, little birdie. What kind of bird are you?
Ooh, I think I'm gonna be a bald eagle.
Ooh, I want to be a sparrow.
Whoa, I'm gonna be a really big albatross.
I'm gonna soar like an eagle.
I'm gonna be an ostrich.
I want to be a hummingbird.
That's really silly. I like being birds. Do you like being birds too?
Yeah.